everybody, and you are back on the Moto Gone Mini channel. Thanks for checking us out. Sorry about the little delay in videos. It's been a couple weeks, but we are back, we are strong, and let's start the video. Damn, dude, life is good. I got a message on my phone. Oh, that was nothing. They messed with me. So first things first, guys, like I just said, we are back. I took a couple weeks off. That wasn't out of choice. That was out of just stuff going on in my life. Pretty much the main thing that was going on was I was having issues with the whole GoPro setup. And then on top of that, my computer, my laptop, my main computer, that took a massive shit. I sent it into Acer, and it's on its way back right now. It's supposed to be here today. So hopefully it gets back here today. I can edit this video. We can have it out maybe by tonight, maybe by tomorrow. If you guys are seeing this video, that means everything is going well. Everything is working. And I'm sorry, guys, I'm distracted. But the big thing on my mind right now is this new helmet. Oh my God, I love it. This is my first time riding with it. Wow. I'll tell you guys in a second. Dude, this helmet, I don't know how the mic quality is yet. I just set all this GoPro stuff up on this helmet. So I'm sorry if there is a little bit of wind. That'll all be adjusted in the next videos to come if there is. So I have a pretty round face. It's not that I'm fat, but it is a rounder face. And with that, it's just my face. A lot of brands just don't work for it. Tried on a crap ton of them, talked to the guys, and he actually measured my head up, and he's like, dude, the only one that's gonna fit your head is a Shoei. And I'm like, all right, that's fine, I'll get a Shoei. How much are they? And he's like, well, starting they're right around 500 bucks. And I'm like, well, shit. But with my old helmet, it was a no-brainer to get this one, guys. This is my first time riding. I'm super happy so far. Maybe at the end of the video I won't be happy, but we'll see. But with my other helmet, guys, I would seriously ride 15-20 minutes or so, and then I can get to like a half hour. I can get to the half hour, and then after there, my head, like along this temples up here, would really hurt. But it is so nice to have this helmet, and this helmet I could tell already just from me using it. I didn't watch any video of it yet, but it is, this helmet, comfortable and sealed up. Like, my voice is way more loud than it was before to me. But anyway, let's get into the main point of this video of why there wasn't any videos recently. So like I said, the helmet wasn't really an issue. It was mainly my computer took a massive crap. I don't know what happened. So yeah, basically my laptop took a crap, so it was really hard for me to make videos. And that little I posted a minute-long video the other day, saying I was coming back because I knew the laptop was coming back, and I got the new helmet and the new GoPro stuff, which I'll get into in a minute. I got all this stuff, so I'm like, all right, the channel's gonna be coming back. It's gonna be awesome. So I tried making that minute-long video, and I just had this B camera up here. So I tried using that, and I had just that up there. I was on a ride with my women's. I was on a ride with her. Hey, baby. I was on a ride with her through. We went pretty south, just about an hour, 2 hour ride, and we just recorded the whole thing. And I tried, you know, splitting the clips and putting them together in my editor I use. It's still Sony Vegas in that older computer. But yeah, so I guess I just split it. I was just on my older laptop for a while, for the last 2 weeks. And I tried editing it, and it just, you couldn't even see the preview. I was editing based off of sound of what I thought sounded right. I couldn't even edit it. And that minute-long video to render at 1080p at 60 frames a second on that laptop took an hour and a half. That's insane. On my laptop, the one that's coming back in, it'll take a minute, 2 minutes type of deal. But my old laptop, it took an hour and a half. But so far, I could tell this helmet seems to be kind of nice. The only thing I really have any type of complaint right now, it is a brand new helmet, so the cheek pads are gonna be, they're not worn in yet, obviously, so it's kind of pushing on my jaw a little bit, but I would much rather have it push on my jaw than like on the side of my temple or head or whatever you would call it. But I can already tell this is a lot better than before. And Shoei, apparently, the guy at Suzuki told me this, Shoei lets you call them in and you'll ship the cheek pads that I have in here right now. I can ship them in, and then they will ship me a size smaller cheek pads, so it can adjust to my So I need a smaller size cheek pads. Apparently, they do that once for free. I think that's super cool. I don't know if I'm gonna need it. Let's go. The bike is reacting great. I'm so happy with it. Like for the first year, I told you guys this before, but it's just amazing to have a good functioning bike and helmet. Why am I riding into the sun? My eyes hurt. Why am I doing this to myself? God, what a guy. If you guys have any ideas of what you'd like to see me talk about, or see me do, or where you'd like to see me do, or any suggestions at all, please do consider leaving a comment and letting me know. If you guys did like the video at all, please consider subscribing. I make videos. I'm gonna try to do them twice a week. We'll see how that goes. I got all my gear back, so all is well right now. So we'll hope everything stays as it is. Are we really stopping? Why? Okay, this isn't a stop for pedestrians. She's going slow. I hate when people do shit like that. Like, obviously, she's waiting. Just go fucking by. It takes her... She doesn't want you to stop for her. Go. Sorry, I'm getting angry. I'm getting away from that trucker. See you guys. Have a good night.
I keep saying I'ma change. I'm 22 now, it's time to puff and act my age. And I just keep telling her that this is just a stage, where every other night we going party and we rage. And I be